जय बालगा
फुल एक वाइब आएगी, एमबीए की वाइब आएगी।
मारेंगे
बुलेटें होंगी, पोलो आएगी मैं अपनी।
बट जो 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 कुड़ी मिली थी वो कहीं और चली गई थी।
मूवी का साउथ में आ रहे हैं बढ़िया। और मैंने जाके पता लगा लड़की मिलेगी अच्छी खासी, बढ़िया मूवमेंट चलेगा।
The one I thought was सब ऐसे नॉन-चैलेंट, एलिट, टॉप नॉच बच्चे होंगे, but people in reality are like
दिस नहीं, खुद को नहीं गिनना है उसमें हमें।
this all of you.
Like her.
I heard that economic times का न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहे होंगे, स्टॉक्स वगैरह।
खुद ने पढ़ा कभी? हम पढ़ते थे, हम पढ़ते थे। पहुंच नहीं पाती।
I mean, for I think all of us, it was the same कि expectation रहते हैं MBA कॉलेज जाएंगे, चिल करेंगे, but then आते ही सेशन शुरू हो जाते हैं, फिर L लग जाते हैं बस।
The moment session started, reality was so different what we expected.
And we were living in our bubble. We thought placements depend only on requirement, but it is something else.
We thought we'll do party every day, but it was flipped when session started.
Especially you.
Okay, same thing.
आँखों की गुस्ताखियाँ।
Trust the process.
Learn Hindi.
You shouldn't have a relationship in marriage.
Ooh,
Okay.
During first 3 months of our sessions, usually our seniors told that trust the process, but at that time we successfully ignored. But during passing the time in manage, we exactly know the meaning of trust the process.
समर के बाद मैनेज में प्यार हो जाएगा।
मैनेज से प्यार हो जाएगा। नहीं, पहली बात सच निकली थी। पहली बात सच थी। So the best piece of advice that we ever gotten and we ignored it is that 2 months of summer internship will change you. We were all like क्या ही बोल रहे हैं, क्या ही हो जाएगा 2 महीने में, but in a way it did change us. So yeah.
Seniors are always better junior. क्या था वो?
Seniors are always like juniors.
Juniors are always better.
और one more वो study hard and party even harder.
Study hard and party even harder.
Trust the process तो complete है ही अभी भी.
Is common sense
By Abhishek sir.
Yeah, I want to answer this. We have multiple dialogues from our senior batch. First one is our senior CR ma'am, Neurosty ma'am, dedicated to her. Arre juniors! Arre don't speak! Arre guys, you don't know this! One more Uppi sir is there, na?
Also Uppi sir.
Uppi sir.
Chetna ma'am, आप बताओ.
3 decades!
And also Banu sir speak. Banu sir speak.
Banu sir speak.
Banu sir speak, sir.
Smita ma'am dedicated for you.
This one is dedicated to Sushmita ma'am. मजाक है क्या?
Pathetic juniors. Yeah, from Abhishek sir.
Sessions.
Mannat is the place. Exactly, we don't know about what is the meaning of Mannat, but after making that all parties boozing, now the Mannat is the favorite spot.
Faculty.
And first we used to walk and touch the gates. पहले final gate छुओ, फिर summer gate छुओ. Didn't make any sense, but now part of all our.
Initially लगा क्या ही हो रहा है, अभी हम उसका पार्ट बन गए. शुरू तो
अब तो डेली करते हैं।
अभी भी नहीं पता क्या हो रहा है बट कर रहे हैं।
शुरू तो मजबूरी
शुरू तो मजबूरी में क्या
मजा आ रहा है हैंडलिंग वाइल्ड पर्सनालिटीज
इन शॉर्ट बदलते चेहरों से बच के रहना।
जैसे महाराज
Life is not same for everyone.
More than everything, ये दिल से आया है। More than everything, you should have friends. Here, everything you can pass by if you have few people around you.
बड़े ग्रुप हैंडल नहीं होते
अरे एक और होता है ना वो, जरूरतों के लिए पैसे जरूरी हैं, हंसने के लिए दोस्त।
Prioritizing between work,
relationships, everything.
how to prioritize.
हमेशा प्लेसमेंट्स के शुरू होने से पहले गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स चालू करो।
ट्रू
और हो जाता है यार, मतलब कुछ भी आते हैं लाइफ में बट
लाइफ में तो ये नहीं बोलते हैं कि थोड़ा मैनेज करो मेरी जान।
यस, थोड़ा मैनेज करो मेरी जान।
थोड़ा मैनेज करो, मैनेज तो करना पड़ता है। Sleeping till afternoon. Second year, so we'll wake up at 12:30 or afternoon 1 o'clock. We'll have a
Hanging.
apart from that, everyone has their own habits that they have developed in second year.
Correct.
Unfortunately, parents will be watching this video.
One more thing is
bottoms up.
Okay, bottoms up.
sorry, can't say that.
Walking, night walking.
Yeah, night walks. And many people here have started dieting. They started, okay.
They started,
but they didn't implement it.
They might have given up, like me.
drinking,
Partying.
Evening walk.
Evening walk. Leave behind juniors.
and
Plus
miss,
one, plus
miss the
one.
most campus and miss juniors as well.
For some
I know,
people.
for some reasons.
I'll miss dumb shaming her.
And I like this thing. Spending time with each other and walks.
Walking and manage.
No, parivar.
Parivar.
One thing I'll miss the most is food. Silent my daddy.
One eternity later.
One thing we'll miss the most is the friendship here and the things we do after 10 p.m. like we used to do.
Things we do after 10 p.m. and
Ashik do things separately, we do things separately.
Rapchik.
लग गए
गाली बोल सकते
बोल दो, बीप हो जाएगा।
लग गए
इतना भी ऑनेस्ट नहीं होना।
सर अभी हम कुछ नहीं बता सकते हैं आपको, हम डिस्प्रेशन में अभी हैं। अभी
कोची में है?
डिस्प्रेशन में है सर अभी।
रोलर कोस्टर।
Let's give chance to Keen.
Keen Victor.
Whatever the place that you are in, it's always the people who are around you which matters the most.
Family. Actually, the answer is family matters. Sorry, family matters.
बावन गज का दामन पहन मटक के चलूंगी।
सबने बोला होगा भाई ये गाना। मैंने
And
Sundargali. That would be YB.
Hero Honda.
Hero Honda.
52 गज का दामन.
मैंने एक दिन ले ले हॉस्टल वाला कमरा दे दो.
It's not one song, yeah.
It's hostel. Yeah, we do have a big
Playlist for
playlist.
different scenario.
कुन फाया कुन.
Not ours.
Pradeep
Kannavi.
Pradeep's English slang and Pradeep Kannavi.
From Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
Cut.
Line cut.
Slow motion.
He'll speak. My name is Ashik Parvesh. I am from Pollachi, Tamil Nadu. 0.5. Slow process.
We passed now. I guess, I believe.
अनिक को जब गुस्सा आता है वो तू कुछ मत बोल.
अनिक को जब भी कोई चीज में गुस्सा आता है and he is arguing something, तू मत बोल. आई कांटेक्ट के बिना वो बात करता है. No eye contact.
और मुझे तो पीपीओ आ गया है भाई, मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ.
पत्थर पे पत्थर
हाँ, चिंगारी निकलती.
पत्थर पे पत्थर मारे तो
चिंगारी निकलती.
जोत का मारे तो
पूरा बैच निकलती. जिलेनेर
बोलते. शेरे पलवल. जाओ यहाँ से.
Favorite lawn that fountain. Near a fountain there is a lawn.
We used to sit there.
There is a stone and everything, so we used to.
We spend
We
much
used to sit
much
there. We
time
order
there.
food. We will have food there.
We can observe. We can see everyone.
We can observe
Not
as well.
gossiping. It's just observing. Yeah.
For him, though, it's old building.
Old building. Bridge, high bridge. For us, that bridge.
मैं पूरा वहीं बिताया था ये ब्रिज. जब तक ये भूल नहीं. ब्रिज भी है.
Las Vegas.
मूजी कट गई स्टैंड. L30.
मतलब अलग ही लेवल का बंदा था.
यार रावंडी.
Personality. Transformation नहीं बोल रहा. हाँ मानते. Personality. मारिंदी. नहीं.
Because she got so even I feel so. See, starting she was such a very innocent, silent.
Yeah, I changed.
Crying.
Not confident. And now she.
First thing she changed was she has become confident. She's able to talk and she started to crack jokes on people. That was
Yeah, she
started
started to
cracking
take jokes now.
She started roasting me.
so much change.
आविष्कार से यो आविष्कार से करें. Same.
Biryani. For veg people, the paneer biryani. Seriously, we need paneer biryani for veg people. They stopped even keeping that in the menu.
Commonly biryani.
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 आलू पराठा.
Aloo paratha. Morning aloo paratha.
पनीर ग्रेवी.
बेस्ट फूड सही बताना दोस्तों.
Chicken biryani.
कुछ नहीं.
दाल. पानी भी अच्छा नहीं है भाई.
पराठे में आलू मेथी.
अरे नहीं, वो समोसा जिसमें 22
सुबह अगर आलू पूरी मिल जाए तो.
मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट.
ठीक है, सबका अपना अपना है. ब्रेकफास्ट.
मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट.
सेशंस.
IBS सीनियर से इंटरेक्ट करने को मिला था. और जब जूनियर्स का IBS हुआ था, जब हम लोगों ने जूनियर से इंटरेक्ट किया था, वो हमारा स्पेशल.
The day we became managed.
तो वो नाइट वॉक्स जिन सब सारे सीनियर्स
इंटरमेंट था. इंटरमेंट इंटरेक्शन. ट्रू.
उस दिन सारे सीनियर्स ने तो नहीं बोले.
last year Holi only.
Last year Holi was nice.
Even the Diwali war on that
last
bridge
year
was
Diwali war,
awesome.
that
So first year's Diwali war, first year's Holi. Yeah, we would love
First
to.
year Diwali actually.
Year Holi,
First
Sultan
Diwali
was
after the
revived
whole.
because he was completely down.
All blessings of Lord Shiva.
The best part till now has been the icebreaker session, because that moment we were completely left free. Till that since that moment we have been enjoying a lot. So I think that is the day I think personally I have to want to relive.
Juniors were coming on shots, including me, for the first time at 8:30 a.m. on the icebreaking session day.
Our batch.
Our batch.
Adil.
Bade bhaiya. Every day.
Interesting person we
are fun because of
even in villages we got
Adil
bade
bhaiya.
bhaiya
Bade bhaiya.
जलवा है हमारा
आशीष राठौर
आज ही तक
गौरव भाई को दे सकते हो तुम गौरव भाई
there are many people
Ashish Rathod.
Ashish Rathod
Okay, in finance and marketing club session, they asked me a full form of RRB, and I answered it as Railway Recruitment Board.
Actually, during our summer placement process, we planned a trip to Lonavala, and we got permission. We went to the railway station. We were about to get into the train, only to be called by.
The train was right in front of us,
and
we couldn't board the train. It was
And-
Mumbai Express.
and yeah,
Called back
It
to
was
the
moving
campus.
we were only to be called back by.
And before reaching the campus, many of our batchmates called us, and they already got to know that we cancelled the plan and also.
Yeah.
It was so embarrassing.
Biggest
That was
epic
the most
epic fail moment.
failure.
Devdutt got failed in microeconomics.
No.
Adil said teaching.
not only me. The first topper and second topper of microeconomics.
The most embarrassing night anyone has ever lived here is this guy. Ask him what happened in his birthday.
Yes, correct.
It is the historic moment of
Manage.
Recently in literally opened my competition. Kitana ma'am fell down while dancing. That was the most embarrassing moment for us.
why for you
ये परविंद्र बताएगा.
FMC के साथ हुआ इसका.
embarrassment.
बता भाई.
People see you in different poses.
Good one.
Embarrassing was कि मैंने जब सीक्रेट सेंटा का गिफ्ट खोला तो उसमें कैप्टन अमेरिका दिखा. एक कीचेन.
कैप्टन अमेरिका ने कीचेन निकला.
हाँ भाई मेरे में क्या था भूल
इस
गया.
बार भी एक स्टार ही मिला था.
केसी फोटो फ्रेम.
और इस साल विनय को मोमबत्ती.
काम तो आ रही है भाई.
हम बनाने काम आती भाई.
और कुछ बचा इनका.
एकेडकॉम की पार्टी थी और मैं सबको बोल रहा था कि पानी गिरा हुआ है संभाल के चलना, और मैं ही गिर गया उससे. पी के गिरा था.
So, so during one of the PC session that we were having in first year, so they were conducting some debates. So I was a part of that debate, and after the debate, the PC members asked who else knows about UCC, Uniform Civil Code. So Mr. Nishant here, he stood up confidently. I know sir what UCC is. Sir, UCC means all the police officers wear same clothes across country. Same uniform. Across country, same uniform. And even the PC members were laughing. So that was one of the best epic fails.
Epic fails.
When we went out, some of our friend booked cab at same pickup and drop location.
At 12 a.m. At 12 a.m.
जब वो कैब वाला आया सर ड्रॉप जस्ट कैब में चढ़े बोल दिया कि सर ड्रॉप लोकेशन यहीं पे
Hey, for this I have answer. This personality suits to Aditi. Like me, Aditi and Nishita went for an event in Adi College, and there she fell down from the stage. At that moment, I was shocked. But when I saw her, she is just laughing sitting behind me, and her teeth also got broken.
I'll tell. During our introductory session, I was asked to give my introduction. So instead of saying good evening, seniors, I said good evening, freshers. So everybody was serious, and like this, everybody laughed at that moment.
Why not he senior?
When cultural committee didn't selected Ashish and he stood up and said,
Why
not
me seniors?
अभी भी बोल देगा एक बार फिर से
Why not me seniors?
मैंने वो एक्सप्रेशन के साथ why not me आंख ऊपर करके
Seniors, can I ask one question? Yes, ask. Why not me seniors?
मतलब अलग ही लेवल का बंदा था
Mubashira.
She will say that is not even related to that. We might be talking about
Mostly
a particular
zoned out.
matter. Yeah. She will be zoned out and she will be saying, is my hair good? In a serious situation like that kind of. Yeah,
अरे I know this moment. मैं वो गुज्जू और ये शाश्वत बैठे हुए थे. Just to be over smart, this guy shouted, "Guys!" so loud. Everybody was seeing there only, and the professor shouted on us, me and Gujju.
सर ने बाहर जाने भी बोला था फिर.
हाँ, over smart बन रहा है वहाँ. Over smart.
That's the duty of acadcom.
उदयन एग्री कंफ्यूज होता है वो
take some time to understand.
ऐसा ही है. टीचर का नाम ले लो भी.
किसको भी समझ में नहीं आएगा बड़ी पैनिक करेगी.
सही है
Srishti.
Because I panicked the most.
No, basically we felt that she'll be on the other side.
That's an irony.
I'm also calm.
Shut up, you're not calm.
Calm.
Stay calm.
Nobody.
Me.
Nobody.
We are not calm.
No one.
We are not calm.
Nobody. We are not calm.
प्रतीक्षा
Because he creates the problem.
he is the problem I am the problem
Ganta. Mr. Ganta.
Dis-moi où es-tu caché? Ça doit faire au moins 1000 fois que j'ai compté mes doigts.
He is our big brother. Gang leader. Gang. Ban.
Can you reverse this question? Who's most likely to panic when she?
I agree.
Bakchodi for me.
GGL drama.
GGL Bakchodi GGL
He's the
drama.
leader of that drama.
Full form of GGL.
Yeah.
GGL leader and member beep
session placement party
memories place family and memories love dosti marriage
बैगन की बात नको करे.
Initially it was ma beep. But ultimately it was all
Fun,
all
turned out very good.
All is well.
Fa.
Walking ship is good.
Friendship.
Relationship.
All ships. We promote ships.
Acadcom. He sometimes used to miss the classes, and not sometimes, most of the time he used to miss the classes, but still he got top.
Vicky Rahul
Two intelligent toppers sitting beside me, Car and Divya.
Car and Divya.
All that
I give
time.
this title to Car.
Kirtana.
Jyotika.
These both.
Jyotika Reddy.
These both.
राहुल सात्विका भाई रात भर जगा रहता है, पढ़ाई करता है, एग्जाम आएगा 2 घंटे में।
अरे नहीं भाई सिद्धार्थ, ये बंदा मैंने कौन सा एग्जाम था, इसने बोला कि मैंने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा, मैं उठ के आ रहा था वापस शीट देने के लिए, वहाँ ये डायग्राम बना रहा है भाई। इतना बुरा कभी नहीं लगा।
अरे ये इसका ही बोला ना, 8
टॉपर भाई, टॉपर हमारे ग्रुप का।
अरे एडिशनल तो छोड़ो,
शेट्टी एंड परविंदर
Parvinder, Daga, Pushpinder and
Chatty.
बट परविंदर एंड चट्टी एंड पर ये सेंटेंस जरूर ना, आयान का बेस्ट फ्रेंड है।
मेघना, सात्विका, तुम्माटी, HP.
When it comes to academics, only Rahul Satvika do that.
Not in academics, everything.
No. People follows. Even she practices the presentation also prepares, but she never tells anyone.
All curious also.
This is the honest thing, honest.
Experience.
We say we don't study, we actually don't study. That's all.
ये छुप के पढ़ता है, ये तो फिर भी सामने पढ़ता है, ये छुप के पढ़ता है।
और जब हर्ष का पढ़ना होता है तो वो L30 बना के डिस्टर्ब करता है।
ये अपने रूम में अलग से पढ़ के आके हमारे साथ पूछेगा और क्या चल रहा है।
हो गया, डन।